All right, I need you guys to get out a sheet of paper, and we are going to simplify the square root of 72. You must show all your work. This is called the birthday cake method, and so we are going to build a birthday cake. So we're going to write 72 at the bottom, and we have a list of prime numbers. Those prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. We don't usually need to go through those, but if you see on your paper, they are highlighted yellow or like grayish, I guess. And if you don't have the paper, just write these numbers down. They're not going to change. We're going to use these same numbers every time, okay? So we are going to start by dividing. Always try the first number 2 because that usually works. If it doesn't work, then you move on to 3. If it doesn't work, you move on to 5. So I need to pull up my calculator here. And we are going to divide 72 by 2. Let me pull it up. It's not working. Oh, gosh. Let me try this one more time. Here we go. All right. So we're going to take 72 divided by 2. And we're going to do old school divide. So I'm going to go ahead and move this over here. So 72. And we are going to divide by 2, and we get 36. Then we're just going to divide again. And so we're going to take 36, and we're going to divide by that 2 again. If it doesn't work, we try the 3. So divide by 2, 18. So we divide by 2, and we get 18. And we're going to keep going until this is going to look like a birthday cake. We have to have 1 candle on top. So we're going to take 18 divided by 2, and I get 9. Then I'm going to try 9 divided by 2. And I don't want a decimal, so dividing by 2 does not work on this case. So then we're going to go to the next number on this one, which is 3. So we are going to delete the 2 and put a 3, and so we get 3. And we're going to keep going. Now we're going to do 3 divided by 2. Normally, once the 2 doesn't work, the 3, it won't work again. So that didn't work. We're going to go 3. So we got 3 here. Sorry about that. And when we divide by 3, we get a 1. Okay, so we are almost done. So how to reduce this radical is you want to circle all the pairs. So I like to think of like a prison break. And to get out of this prison, this is the prison right here, you need a partner in crime. So one of these 2s won't make it, but one of them makes it out of the prison. One of these 3s won't make it, but one makes it out of the prison. And then this 2 doesn't have a partner in crime, so he just stays in the prison. So I multiply these. 3 times 2 is 6, square root of 2. Make sure you put a plus or minus on it. We talked about that in the previous slide. And that is your answer. Now, to check, you always want to check your answer. This is a great way to make sure we get it right. Let me show you. We're going to put in our original problem, square root of 72, and you see that decimal 8.48. Then we're going to put our answer in, 6 square root of 2. It is exactly the same decimal. If it is not exactly the same decimal, we did something wrong. And so that's how you know you're right.